Man, I really do not want to study for that pre-cal final. Me either, dude. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I called Uber 20 minutes ago. Let's go to the mall! Now what?
Ladies, so where are we going today?
Oh, the mall, of course.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
No, you're hecking not.
Marcella, I can't get out of the car! Brooke, wake up! Brooke! Where am I? Marcella! You hear me? You're in? Yeah!
Right next to you.
Okay. What are you doing here?
I don't know. Where are we?
Brooke. Wait, I can't see! I can't.
Brooke.
Okay, I'm good. Wait.
Where are you?
I don't know. Wait, no. Why are you here? Guys, we need to calm down. What is happening?
You want to play a game? Even if you don't, you do not have a choice. Just like you do not have a choice when it comes to studying for your pre-cal final. You each will find a clue somewhere in the room with a piece of paper and the tools you need to solve the math problem. Good luck.
Question number 1. During the I don't know this word.
Oh my goodness.
Or that word.
Oh my goodness. Just hand it over. During the electrolysis of aqueous.
Wait. I know chemistry. Wait,
Stop right.
Everything. No, we're not supposed to be doing chemistry.
Aaron, no! Oh dear Lord.
Penalty for answering a question incorrectly is that you have to cut off your finger.
Wait. Can I pick which finger?
Pick the pinky. No one wants the pinky.
Okay,
No, Aaron, wait, no, this is the Aaron! Wait, are we getting up?
Oh my gosh, Aaron!
It's okay. Late.
Let's be rational about this.
You just cut off your own finger and you're making jokes.
I feel something. Wait, is that the first clue? I think so. Okay. A circle's center lies at the origin of a coordinate plane. It has a radius of 1 unit. There is a 30-degree angle on the circle. Find the sine and the cosine values of this angle. How can we solve?
Wait, isn't that the unit circle?
Oh, I remember
Mr. Torres teaching us that.
Wait, but isn't there like an easy trick? Yeah, there's a hand trick, remember?
Oh, look at that!
Whoa, how convenient. 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. So the sine and the cosine values for a 30-degree angle are going to be the square root of 3 over 2, and then the square root of 1 over 2. So that's simple. So it's the square root of 3 over 2, comma, 1 over 2, because the square root of 1 is 1. Guys, we got it!
We gotta look around, guys. Oh, dude, I think I see one! Question number 3. Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, I think I got this. A 6-meter-long ladder leans against a building. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, how far up the wall does the ladder reach? How far from the wall is the base of the ladder? Round your answers to 2 decimal places as needed. Are you kidding me?
I'll do it, I guess.
Okay, so for this problem, I'm gonna have to use the law of sines or cosines to figure out these measurements. So if I have the 60-degree angle and I already have the hypotenuse, well, for sine is opposite and hypotenuse, so I'll just use that one. So let's see. So the height, which we don't know yet, let's just make that x. And then it'll be over 6 because it's opposite over hypotenuse. So then we'll multiply 6 by sine 60 to get x alone. So sine 60 times 6 equals x. And okay, so in our calculator, sine 60 times 6, that would be 5.19. And just make sure your calculator is in degrees mode, because then you might get a weird answer otherwise. Alright, so our next part is, so if we have this as now we know that that's 5.19. Now we can solve for this value.
Wait, that's another one?
Yes. Question number 4. Multiply the following matrices. Okay.
I don't know. Guys, I got this. Okay, so multiplying matrices. Okay, I remember how to set this up now. So first you would put the first one that you're given on one side of the paper. And then instead of putting the next matrix right next to it, you would put at the top. Now, the reason why you do this is because you want to separate them to actually begin multiplying your numbers. And remember, the rows and columns of each matrix have to be equal to each other. So as you can see, matrix A has 2 rows, 1, 2, while matrix B has 2 columns. So they're equal to each other, so you're able to multiply this. Now, to actually begin multiplying, you would have to take the first value and multiply with the first value of the second matrix. So 3 times 2, 6. And then you would have to add it to the next 2. 5 times 5, 25. And then 4 times 6, 24. And that would be your final answer. And that's how you solve it.
We did it! Wait. Where's Aaron?
Wait, Aaron, what's going on?
You thought you won.
Well, yeah, we did all the problems. We found all the clues.
See, there's a lot you don't